How to use Pagefly on Shopify 2023 tutorial. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to log into our Shopify account here in our browser. As you can see, I have mine logged in and ready already. So now here in our search bar, let's go to the app section. As you can see, I have already installed my Pagefly page builder. But if you have not yet installed it yet, so simply go to recommended apps and in our Shopify App Store, search in Pagefly. So here, Pagefly Landing Page Builder. So simply open the app and install it in your Shopify. So what is basically Pagefly? Pagefly actually creates pages and sections for your store without any coding, and all page types are supported. So for the pricing, actually it's free to install, no credit card required, one page or section, free all features and add-ons, postpaid paid plan rather from $24 a month. So if you want to have the paid plan to, make use and utilize everything with Pagefly's application, then you need to pay for $24 a month. All right. So here, as we can see, its overall rating is 4.9 and there are 7,340 people for the reviews. Let's go to our page flight this time. Okay. So here in our pages, you can see regular pages, home pages, product pages, collection pages, blog post page, and whatnot. Also, you can see section in here. So for the section, um, basically a section can be used on both Pagefly pages and Shopify theme templates. So in Pagefly pages, a section can be used as a global section or a custom section, basically. All right. As for me, I'm going to go to my pages and I have actually created on one already, which is found here on our product pages. So here in our product pages, if you have not yet created one, you could actually simply create from a template or create a blank page if you want to start from scratch. So here, let's click on this one. Now you can see different templates that you can make use of for your product page. So if you do have a blog post page, then you could also make use of that one. If you have a home page, then you could see different kinds of templates for the home page as well. So there. Okay. Now I'm just going to make use of what I have done a while ago. So I'm going to click on this one in here. Right, let's just wait for the page to load. Now it has loaded. As you can see in our left bar here, our page outline. You can see there's the header, the section, the section part as well, and whatnot. So here, for example, if I want to edit this page, for example, so this is our third section basically, and I want to edit this um, I want to edit this one out. So simply go to our right side in here. So if I don't want to say style advice, say for example, welcome to Moonstar. Okay, now you can put on that one. You could also add an anchor text if you want to. If you want to show an icon there, you could also do so. Right now, if you want to edit the things that you have in here, just simply go and click on this section here on the accordion items under general and then type in everything that you would want. So for example, what is Moonstar? And then in this section, you could actually also just click on this box and you can simply type in the details that you would like to add in here. So for example, there. Okay. And then let's just put with moon star star. Now, once we're done, let's go to our styling section this time. So here in the styling section, basically it shows the font size, the color of the font that you would like to add into it. For example, let's change the font color. Here you can see it in the content color. And then let's just go to, for instance, green. So there, everything has been turned green. Now, if we want to change the color for this one, click on the box first and go to our content color. Now, we are going to click on yellow instead, right? And it will turn yellow basically. All right. Now, let's go further. If you want to change the font as well, then you could also do that by just clicking on the box here, for instance, and go choose a font. So let's say font family 2. There, it has successfully changed. If you want to go to font family 1, then it will change. All right. So I'm going to stick with font family 4 in here. Now for the font size, you could also change that one, resize it here, for instance, there. Now for more settings, you could actually have a font weight, for example, regular, extra light, semi-bold, and whatnot. But we're not going to dig deeper on our fonts. Okay, now here you can see an image right here, right? If you want to change that one, simply click on this one and let's go to our general settings. Now you can see image source in here. Just simply select or clear this one out. And if you want to add an image, select an image, right? So for instance, I would like to go to upload from computer. Let's open from our computer and we would like to add this one out, for instance. All right, so let's just tick on the box in here and hit on select. Once you've selected the picture, you'll see that it has already been um, placed. So enable full width, let's hit on no. So if you don't enable the full width, then it will go to the original size basically. Right now, image ratio, you can also turn it to square, custom, or original. So let's go to square basically. All right, now once you're done editing for everything, click on save, and then you could simply publish it. So in the drop down, you could actually click on save and publish. There you have it. Now, if you want to preview it, just click on this icon beside the save button. So there you have it. So this is how it will look like basically. So where can you find your Pagefly template or Pagefly builder when you go to Shopify? So here, let's go back to our Shopify account. Under our online store, we'll just go on themes. And here you can see Pagefly assets. So basically that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye.